Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's episode, we are going to be making a hair product, specifically a hairspray. I did say to you guys that I do make my own hair products and my face products as well, and I love to share my recipes with you guys. So today's hairspray is like a growth spray. I call it a growth spray because it has helped my hair grow so well. It has improved my hair texture, made my hair strong, makes my hair soft and easily manageable. But mostly it has made my hair grow so well, so much. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So without wasting any further time, let's go into the ingredients I use for my hair spray. My growth spray. So these are all the products that goes into making this wonderful hair growth spray. You have your Bay Rum, your Bergamot, your Placenta. I'm sure you guys are familiar with this combination, but I like to twist it up by adding Camphor Blocks, Eucalyptus oil, and Lavender oil. I purchased all these products at discount pharmacies. They're not really that expensive. I think the Bay Rum was 25 Rand for the 200ml bottle. Bergamotessens is 48 Rand. Placenta was like 40 Rand. The Camphor Blocks, which is like 16 for like 40 Rand as well. Your eucalyptus oil, this is a very big bottle, so this was a better like expensive. Let me see how many mils is it. It's 200 mils, so that was like 205 Rand for that 200 ml. Then your lavender oil was 90 Rand if I'm not mistaken. And you also need a spray bottle because that's where you're going to be mixing all of these things in. Your spray bottle, that was like 23 Rand for a 500ml bottle. You need a 500ml bottle, guys, because all of these things are going to go in there. Now I am going to tell you about the benefits of each product as to how it contributes to hair growth and how it helps nourish your hair, keep it shiny and strong to reduce breakage. The first one being your Bay Rum. So the Bay Rum, this oil, what it does is it stimulates hair growth by unclogging pores and allowing oxygen flow. It also helps in preventing dandruff from appearing from your hair. Second one is your Bergamot essence from linens. It's a linens product. So this oil, what it does is it stimulates blood flow to the hair follicles and give hair strength and shine. So you know that you need nutrients for your hair to grow. So with this product, your blood flow is accelerated, meaning that nutrients flow to your head and your hair follicles are provided with the necessary nutrient it needs for it to grow. The third one being your placenta. So what placenta does, it prevents frizz and hair breakage. It is high in proteins that seals the hair strand. So basically, you know that proteins are very, very good in maintaining hair strength, making your hair strong, and yeah. Then your fourth one is your Camphor Blocks. So what camphor does is camphor has antibacterial and antifungal properties. So it will also reduce hair fall and increase blood circulation and also oxygen circulation as well. And then your fourth one will be your fifth one will be your eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil stimulates hair growth and promotes hair growth. It relieves itchy scalps and treats head lices. So you need something that's going to stimulate your follicles because follicles are the ones that produces your hair. So eucalyptus oil is also very, very important in hair growth. And then your last but not least is your lavender oil. Lavender is an essential oil. I love the smell of lavender, but it also has very good benefits into hair growth by preventing hair thinning, by promoting hair growth and improving hair texture. You know, we want to have our hair texture being so strong and beautiful, right? And then your spray bottle, this is going to be used to actually mix all of these products in. Okay, so now that you know each benefits of each product that goes into the spray, it is time to mix it up and make the spray. So what I have here is a funnel that is going to help me transfer everything without making a mess. So what I did off camera is melt these camphor blocks because they are crystal right now. So I melted them into this with 250 ml of water. So what I did is in a stove, put a pan on the stove, put it on high heat to accelerate the process, put on high heat, and then I put a cup of water, then I put 3 camphor blocks. But make sure that you crush these camphor blocks into powder before you melt them, because if you don't do that, it's gonna take long and your water is gonna evaporate. Literally, you're gonna come back to your pot and there's literally nothing. Everything will evaporate. So just make sure that you crush it into powder first. Add a cup of water and add your 3 crushed camphor blocks. I used a cup, but only like this amount came out. I'm not sure how many mils is this. It's like, I think it's like 80 mils from a cup, you see. So evaporation is real while you are trying to melt this. If you have camphor oil, I prefer that you also use camphor oil so that you don't go through troubles of melting this camphor block. Okay, so let's do this. So our bay rum, this is 200 mils. We are going to transfer everything. And then your linens as well. I said you transfer everything. This is how it looks. And then your placentas, we are using all 3 vials into this. So popping these vials is like a bit dangerous. That's why I use a towel. I just use a towel and I pop it like that. And it's opened. Make sure you use a towel because it is glass and you don't want to cut yourself. Yeah. Okay, now I am mixing in the eucalyptus oil. I'm using a 30 ml. Don't know if you can see. It's a 30 ml. Remember I said you put 2 spoons and each spoon is like 15 ml. So I'm just going to use like this 30 ml because and then I'm going to put the mixture of the camphor blocks that are melted in water in here. Last but not least, I'm going to put my lavender oil. I don't make this with drops of lavender oil. I said you use like 5 or 6 drops. This is a dropper of lavender oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I closed it up and I'm going to shake it. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, and then what you do is, this is my mixture, and then I will fill it up with water. Maybe I will fill it up till here, this yellow strap here, with just H2O, with just water. I don't have water with me right now. I'll fill it up and I'll be back. So there we go. I filled it with water. Remember, this is a 500 ml bottle. So just put everything together and then just fill it up to the top. I didn't fill up to the top, but it's still like the top, like, yeah, just fill it up till there. I filled it up with lukewarm water. Don't fill up with cold water, just fill up with lukewarm water. So this is my spray, this is my magical spray that I use on my hair every single day. Even if I have braids on, I would still put the spray on because braids get itchy, and you find your lavender oil also helps with like the itchiness of the scalp, and the eucalyptus oil as well help with that as well. So put it on. This is just my everyday spray. It is water based. You saw I just filled up with water. It is water based. So whenever you are like stretching your hair out, like you're plaiting amakota on your hair, just spray this on your hair, on that section that you want to plait out, and then just plait it out. I don't advise people just plaiting their hair out when their hair is dry. You need your hair to be like moisturized or like wet. Let me just spray it on my hairstyle. Yes. Oh, I made a mess. Yeah, so this is my spray. It smells good. Thank you to the essential oil. It does not smell bad because I know the rest of Bay Rum, the placenta, and all of that just smells bad. But what I like about the spray is you can also use it like for your beard, if for guys. Yeah, you can just use it for your beard as well. Thank you very much for making it to the end of this video, and thank you very much for continuing supporting me on my YouTube channel. I hope that this spray is gonna change your life because it changed mine, and I hope that you liking my videos. If you like them, please don't forget to like. If you don't like them, please help me improve. And if you feel as if you want to tell someone about me and what I do best, please don't hesitate, share my videos. Thank you so much. See you next time.